It's almost dark. We've decided to run the hardest trail up here, and it looks like that. You're gonna drive your car up here? That's ridiculous. Oh, and he does it.
That hill sucks.
I know it does.
Maybe I'll drive it.
Well, that seems like a silly place to break the car. It's almost dark, and now we've decided to run the hardest trail up here, and it looks like that. And it's gonna be dark in about an hour. And well, I'm gonna get wet feet apparently. Nobody told me that it was a wet feet sort of party. This is silly. This is not somewhere you drive. You're gonna drive your car up here? That's ridiculous. I don't see the line. Apparently the line there, I don't see it. I don't know about these things. I see a big stumpy branch thing in the middle that's really gonna be in the way. Apparently Frank sees the line though. Some legit rainforest wheeling here on the west coast. Flipping branches at me. I don't know how I'm supposed to walk up here. Yeah, well, this is something else. So Spencer toasted a power steering pump and he replaced it and we're back on the road. Trail, whatever you want to call it. Oh, he's a little warm. Apparently you're gonna have to just do the pass.
I gotta come past me. I gotta cool down.
That hill sucks.
I know it does.
Maybe I'll drive it.
Well, you could sneak her right back. I don't even know.
That hill is...
A couple trail sodas.
Oh yeah.
A couple trail sodas. Have a trail soda. Why don't you? Oh, Tucker's coming against his better judgment.
I know he didn't want to. I actually got angry at him.
Good. That's what he needed.
Every time before. Up there, at the top of the hill.
Oh yeah?
Every single time the same spot.
Oh well. Today's gonna be his day then. It's gonna be great. Are you gonna fit through there? I don't know if you are. Fat car. So Tucker, against his better judgment, has decided to come into the trail. He doesn't have rear steer. These other guys do.
This is not a good idea.
Well, Craig's right behind you now, so you can't back out. So I'm standing up the hill, pointing downwards, which I don't typically like to do. But this is a big hill. I don't want to run after Frank. That's the thing. Magic. Sick moves, bro. Hey, man. You got her. You're doing good and you're looking good.
Hey, right or left?
Left. Hook around the tree. You're moving logs. Can you fit through that hole? Apparently you bypassed it now.
Is this a Jeep bypass?
Yeah, it is. You guys are jeeping now. Sick Jeep, bro. Over here, fancy Buggy's running winch for a second time.
Yeah.
The only problem is now Spencer's in front. He didn't want to be in front. Well, we haven't made it very far. It's getting dark, so we're gonna keep going. Now you have to cut something. Good thing Tucker saw is dead as hell. Oh, did he? Okay. He could probably sneak under there in his little skinny buggy. In a skinny car. Is he going around the far side? I don't even know. I don't feel that there's many cars that driven up here. It's hard to tell. Apparently he's going right. That makes sense. The full pivot. I don't get it.
The real line is to the right.
You did like a 360.
Down and loopy around and then up? Okay. Because that's what he did. Well, I've done 6K so far up these streets. So I'm getting a little tuckered out. Yeah, Tucker. Excuse me, sir. I'm standing here. Excuse me. I blame all the sassy comments on Owen and his crown and ginger. Yes, do the thing. Gets better and better and better. That's ridiculous. How are you going to do that? With great difficulty.
I broke here twice in a row. Right here.
That's a problem.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a scrap on this street. Oh, this looks even worse. Don't worry. You just drive up the cliff on the right side. And then you turn in. It's no big deal. I know the camera doesn't make that look impressive, but like, what is he doing? What are you doing? So Frank's buggy's running a bit warm, so he had a little break here. Hopefully he cooled down a bit, and hopefully he can somehow do the thing. I'm not seeing it. Well, that's it. He's climbed a long ways up that hill already. There you go. That doesn't make any sense. Oh. So you just take this, put her up there.
Throw it at him. Up on that wall there.
Send her hard right at speed, and then it's gonna bounce you left, but you're gonna be past it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. It's a good idea.
It's fine.
It's the way.
Oh my god, you guys, there's a manual in here.
Manuel.
Manual transmission. You gotta push the clutch in.
That's too many pedals. That's 3 pedals. You only have 2 feet. Is Colby pushing the extra pedal? How do you even do that? Sick moves, bro.
No way you can make it. You got a manual.
Oh, of course Craig has green lights on his green rig. Apparently that's where you're stopping.
3rd time's a charm.
Hey-o.
On that log.
Bang. Everything.
All of the things.
Okay, you already.
Turn more.
You're ready.
With the rear.
You're blowing it. You got to turn far up that hill. You're disappointing us.
More. You can't put it any more than it's too soft.
Advice. Advice.
Everything that way. Get your rear. Everything. Yeah. Hey, that looks better. Look how big it is.
Oh.
Back up. No, that's back up. Nothing. Way worse. Fatigue life, nothing.
You're letting the team down.
Way worse.
We're gonna go higher.
Turn your rear now.
You're gonna get that tire on that log right there.
That's a bit better. Yes. You're doing it now. You just had to shelve your attitude. Turn this way. Driver's in the front.
Front driver.
Whatever. Just stay on the wall then. Do your thing. Live your life.
Oh god, dude.
Feel your truth. It seems a little silly. You should probably turn up here. Or not. Yeah, that. Ah! Come over here. The peanut gallery's concerned. It's a little bindy.
I wish I could do that. Oh god.
Oh, that's some money right there. Oh, you gotta spend a lot of money to bind up like that. Well done.
Say that before.
Well, don't worry, it's first, you know. This tire's not even on the ground. Why don't you put it on the ground? Cradle it. It's getting dark out here. Ah, just wedge her in there, yes. I don't know if it's tight. Well done. Yes. Oh, that was expensive.
Oh my god.
That T-case? That was a structural break.
Is that TK?
To break down.
Seemed like a silly place to break.
Jesus.
Well, that tire was mega bound up, passenger rear. Yeah, you were a little tight right there.
Oh my god, man.
Well, that seems like a silly place to break your car.